Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Okay, today is January the 14th, and on January the 8th, we started sowing our onion seeds. And I noticed yesterday that they are starting to come up. There's one right there. And when they come up, they're going to actually look sort of like a blade of grass in a way. I mean, you're going to know that they're not, but that's kind of what they're going to resemble. And there are actually more coming up. I just can't quite get to them. Let me see here if I can. Yeah, you can see the green right there. Just starting to poke through the soil. So I'm actually going to leave them in this bag and let them continue to germinate. And when more of them come up, we'll take them out then, and I'll come back with another video. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I will try and answer them for you. And don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.